This question is very simple. So 2 exponent x squared equals 16 exponent x minus 1. So how do we solve this? This is an exponential equation. So to make things easier, if the bases are the same, then that means the powers too must be the same. So if the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. So over here we have 2 exponent x squared equals, now we can rewrite 16 as 2 to the power 4, because 2 to the power 4 is given as 16. Then we bring this, but we put this in brackets, okay? So x minus 1. So now we have the bases being equal. So that means the exponents must be equal. So equating the exponent, we will have x squared equals 4 into bracket x minus 1. So expanding the bracket, you're going to have x squared equals 4x minus 4. So rearranging it, we are going to subtract 4x from here, then we add 4. We subtract 4x, then we add 4. So this and this goes to 0. This and this goes to 0. So we are going to be left with x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation. And with solving quadratic equation, we can find the factors of 4, right? So you're going to have 1, 2, and then 4. Then we negate them. -1, -2, -4. So out of these factors, find two numbers. When you multiply, you get 4. When you add, you get -4. So those two numbers are -2 and then -2. Because when we add, we are getting -4. And then when we multiply, we are getting +4. Okay, so let me take away all these so that they don't distract us. So meaning we can expand this -4 as -2x and then -2x. Because -2x minus 2 is going to give us -4x. So you're going to have x squared minus 2x plus this 4 over here, 4 equals 0. So we can now factorize the common terms. So we have x out, x minus 2, then -2 out, x minus 2 equals 0. So you're going to have x minus 2, then you pick one of the brackets, x minus 2 equals 0. But over here, x minus 2, they are the same and they are multiplying. So we can rewrite it this way. X minus 2 all square equals 0. So x minus 2 all square equals 0. So to take away the square, we can find the square root of both sides. So find the square root of both sides. So this cancels this. And then square root of 0 is 0. Okay. So x minus 2 equals 0. So to find the value for x, we can add 2 to both sides so that this and this goes to 0, remaining x on the left hand side. So we're going to have x equals 2. So the value for x in this sense is what? 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more contents.